How to enable or disable audio playback while recording in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or S26 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then launch the camera app from the home screen. Next, we tap on the control button. Then tap on settings. Now in camera settings, go down and tap on audio options. From here, tap on audio playback. Tap on it. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off audio playback. This will allow music and other audio to play while you're recording with your camera. Here's a playback will pause when using a 360 audio recording or a Bluetooth microphone. After that, tap on the back key to go back to your camera. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.